Let's do a car review, shall we?
Let's shall.
I had a chance to drive the 2024 Chevy Trax. Now, this is a complete redesign from the original Chevy Trax, okay? It's available in these trim levels, the LS, the 1RS, the LT, the 2RS, and the Active. I reviewed the 2RS. It is considered a small station wagon. I don't like that nomenclature because it gives me visions of station wagons. And not that I don't like station wagons, but it doesn't look like a station wagon to me. It looks like a very small SUV.
Yeah.
Does it not?
It's a good-looking car.
It really is.
Yeah.
Anyway, it's a complete redesign. Seats 5 passengers. It is an extra small SUV. Exterior features. This, again, is not the original Trax. It's all new from the ground up, top to bottom. Small but sleek bodywork that's very attractive. Good-looking grille and headlight design. Upswept side windows connect through the piece to the C-pillar to the fastback rear hatch window. It's really a sharp-looking, different kind of SUV. What I liked, the dark lower valance panel and the sporty overall look. What could use improvement? It's a winner. Don't touch it. I like it, and I like the price point too, and I'll tell you about that in just a second. I think you will be amazed. Dual pod dash, easy to understand infotainment system. Simple HVAC controls, not complicated. Attractive, comfortable seating. Limited actual back seat cargo room area with the back seat up. It's limited, plentiful with the back seat down. Considering its diminutive size, it works. What I liked, the RS red accents throughout the cabin, stitching, etc. What could use improvement? My advice is don't mess it up. Don't mess it up with the size, and don't mess it up with the price point. And I'll have a story about the price point here in a little bit. Engine. This was kind of a surprise. A 1.2-liter turbocharged 3-cylinder. And no, it's not a motorcycle. It actually runs really well. 137 horsepower. Remember, this thing is tiny. 162 pound-feet of torque. 6-speed automatic transmission. Fuel mileage, 28 city, 32 highway for a combined of 30. That's what the government has ranked it. I got 28.9 over 347.2 miles. Clearly, what I liked about it is the gas mileage. How about a plug-in hybrid option?
That'd be good.
It would be, I think. You imagine tacking on at least another 10 miles per gallon on that thing. I don't know whether they've got room for such a thing, but I think that they should look at that. Ride and handling, nice for a small runabout. What could use improvement? Nothing. Keeping the price point where it is. Now, as far as options are concerned, and I've got time to do this, I wanted to point out that the sunroof package, which goes up, for me, $895.
Oh.
Why would you do that to yourself in a city that reaches 108 degrees in the summertime? But to each his own. Driver confidence package, they call it, $795, includes rear cross-traffic alert, that's good, lane change alert with side blind zone alert. Give me the alerts, but don't interfere with my driving. The adaptive cruise control, that's good. And the rear park assist is good, $795. That would be something to get. Now, optional paint color costs $395. I don't know what that's about. Every car has to be painted. Why would you pay more for that paint? Anyway. Now you want to know how much it costs.
That's what I'm waiting.
The base trim price is $23,900. Price is tested $27,080. But if you want to get in to the base model of the Chevy Trax, $20,400. This is Chevrolet's least expensive SUV. And that is the bell ringer for me. I mean, everybody can afford this. And I think that if you're in the market for a small SUV, this would be something to look at. Competitors, include the Mazda CX-30 for $24,995. The Nissan Kicks starts at $21,050. And the Toyota Corolla Cross is $23,610. I think if you are in the market for this size vehicle at this price point, I think that you're really going to be impressed. I would encourage you to find your Chevy dealer if they've got one. Call ahead, look online, see where they are. Go test drive one, and I think that you'll agree with me. You may not like it, but I did.
You know who likes that car? Kylie.